So in this video, my 82 Ford Granada, we are locating and trying to fix some of the car's exhaust leaks. It was hard to tell in video, but it's very, very loud. So here we go, taking a look to see where they're coming from.
There's a leak right there. Yeah, where is that? We're at the flange. Okay. Yeah, this looks like a new, well, not really new, but a walker system, maybe. Yeah.
Let's take a look. Wow. Yeah, these are old. Underside of the car didn't look too bad. That's good. That one I was sort of figuring. So, oh, the flange and the cat. Yeah. So we got to get a repair flange, I guess, to go around this. Beautiful.
No, this one's broken too. This is the one that's actually leaking.
Oh, it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, this one's leaking too. See the carbon?
Yeah.
So this and this are leaking. Before and after the cat. So for this, we need 2 repair flanges, don't we?
Yeah.
All right. What else do we have in here? The old Ford Granada. Huh. Blue shocks of some variety. Shiny, kind of shiny paint on some of them. Tops are rusted.
Cheap ass one.
Ah.
Oh.
So what do you recommend we do about this? I guess we're gonna need a buttload of flanges of varieties.
Yeah, I bet you it is. The auto parts store's only ever seen stock of one.
Yeah.
Oh, your cats. Oh, that's a heat shield.
Oh, okay.
It's already blown open.
Hey, there's the alternator. Gator back belts. Rack and pinion steering. The time to be alive. Yeah.
Well, I do have on my workbench
Yeah.
2 2.5-inch walker ones.
Huh. All right. Well, let's see if we can do. Do we have a tape measure or something in here?
In the box.
All right. Well, let's see if we can measure the diameter of these pipes. See, because this area where the cat is, this flange is gonna have to be larger. Because look at this. You can see right here. This pipe is of a uniform size, but this is almost a bulge.
The bell is huge on it.
Yeah. So that's going to need to be a larger one, which might be work in our favor if the auto parts stores don't stock too many of the ones of the same size.
Yeah.
Now somebody put some gunk in here. You see this? Looks like some kind of rubbery silicone or something. Or is this some sort of cloth? Oh no, it's some kind of cloth something. Probably asbestos.
Yeah, it could be. Asbestos rag.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess we got some exhaust repair to do. Ye old Ford Granada. So here's where we're at with this. This is where one of the 2 exhaust leaks was here where the this pipe meets the catalytic converter, and then also here where the catalytic converter exits to the intermediate pipe. Now this isn't a problem because this is a bell flange, but this damn thing is a nice old-fashioned modern flat flange, and this, you might think this looks a little rough, but it's still got some surface area to it if you think about it. Now take a look at the catalytic converter. Take a look at that. There is not much left to the top of that flange. Very, very little. So when we put the thing together, even without a gasket, it still leaks. Now over here, the flange that was supposed to be here is gone, but the bell itself, the end of the pipe, is sort of tapered shape, is in pretty good shape. So we should be able to put a repair flange you know, there's one of these over here. We just have to figure out the diameter. But this, I think we're gonna have to weld a new flange in place of this. So that's where we're at. Well, we got that mid pipe rigged up so that the thing won't drag on the ground. We can park the car. But yeah, we're gonna have to do something here now. This car doesn't need to pass emissions, and who knows if that catalytic converter even works or cares. But the problem is this pipe is a different diameter from this pipe, so this whole bend would be really tricky. You'd almost want to do like an S, maybe even just a 45 degree, like a straight piece, 45 degree angle, and then come this way. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. If I'm just going to replace this with a pipe of some kind. Hey, or a flex pipe. We'll see. Okay. Time to hear a large exhaust leak. Straight pipe. Oh,
that's how much worse.
No. Was it choke on or something?
Just straight pipe it.
Yeah. I think the choke is on now. Straight pipe. Performance 200 cubic inches. Go for a rip.
Does. Sounds like you intended it to sound like this.
Oh yeah, no, this is intentional. Like, you know.
Say you put a cherry bomb on it.
Yeah. You know, it's not as offensive as I would. Well, I'm used to V8s.
Yeah.
But you know, usually with the V8, it's like, boy, your ears hurt.
Yeah.
You've got no pipe like that. You can actually listen. I mean, like idling, it's fairly quiet.
Yeah, you can't even tell it's broken at idle.
Try it. It's like, oh, you put like a custom exhaust on that? Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that's right. The flange, that rotted flange is history. So now we got to try and cobble some stuff that, yeah, exactly. Now is that too big? That's too big. All right. We're immediately needing to go to the store.
3 hours later.
Okay. We have got this exhaust fixed. We elected not to put the catalytic converter back because finding an actual direct fit replacement, if there even one is one that's exactly correct available, was like almost $300. And you know what? This car already has a catalytic converter. Doesn't need to. Oh yeah, this light died on me again. Wonderful Harbor Freight light. That is a catalytic converter, that giant coffee can shaped thing that's hooked directly to the manifold. So it's already got a catalytic converter, so I'm pretty sure it's very environmentally friendly. So anyway, we cobbled this not so swell looking thing together. Bell flange there, short piece of pipe, another piece of smaller diameter pipe that goes in it, and then this elbow goes into that. And then we did at least weld that onto the coupling. Wanted to go with a band clamp, but nobody sells a band clamp for a 2-inch pipe in this this region. Anyway, as you can see, The car is quiet. The leaks are free. And everything seems pretty good. I see a little bit of water. Hey Dave, a little bit of water over here, but you come on my side. See? Where the pipe meets the thing? Is that?
They put a little more torque on it.
Okay. Alright, are you examining my door?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Officer Buzzkill. Yeah, the door's fucked. Thanks. I put my finger through it before. Over there.
Oh, I fixed it.
Knock some of the rust out?
No, you can't see it.
Oh, yeah. Ah, freaking mint. Anyway. Yeah, so we tightened that up a little bit more. So that ought to be good now. But yeah, there's the exhaust. Kind of stupid the way the output or the input from the catalytic converter was on one side and then zigzag to come out the opposite side. So your exhaust makes an unnecessary zigzag, but things look pretty good now. Oh, that's gonna need to get fixed. I think that's the, oh, you can see some carpet in there. It's nice and quiet now. Let's see. All right, not bad. Must be the manifold. So you can hear there's a bit of a manifold leak, but that's a big job. I think I can live with the manifold leak. And besides, isn't it fitting to have at least a little exhaust leak when you see a car like this coming? Oh yeah, I think it helps complete the overall aesthetic of this vehicle. Don't you? I mean, would you expect anything less of something that looks like this?